What's up, everyone? We are going to take a look at St. Catherine 1 year later. St. Catherine in the Villages, 1 year after I first really noticed it. After they started, you'll see a bunch of stuff in this video. St. Catherine, Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove, talk about the differences, the Sawgrass Grove area, the Zell Rec Center, some updates on that. Let's get into it. 1 year later, and we are taking a look at St. Catherine area. Obviously now with the additions of Case and Hammock and Citrus Grove. This is the newest rec center right here that we're spinning around. Not a rec center, I'm sorry. I apologize for this. I still have to get my terminology correct. This is a post office, a local fun spot, if you will. So there will be shuffleboard and cornhole or bag toss, community pool. This is where all the mailboxes will be. It does look like there will be a walk-in area there also, obviously, for local stuff. And then here is St. Catherine. This is looking somewhat west, kind of rainy day. So you can see the Zell Rec Center here in the background, along with Hawkins is back in the background, and then there's Citrus. Just kidding, that is Case and Hammock. Citrus Grove is off right over here, and then you're looking at the Southern Oaks Golf Course, front and back 9, and the Baxley Bridge, which will be the multimodal. 1 year later, I feel like we were just out here last year looking at St. Catherine with not a lot to look at in this area, and now look at it. There's homes everywhere. They're doing the new area with the Newell and Lake Denham and Dabney areas. This here is Megason Road. Megason Road is going to lead, well, it already does. It leads from Brownwood all the way to this area, and it's going to lead all the way out to 470, which will be Central Parkway, or it's already renamed Central Parkway. A lot of changes coming up over the next couple of years in the Villages. South of here, you're going to see that medical center right where you see all that farmland currently, as well as the championship golf courses and multiple other things. I mean, it's changed just dramatically over this last year. None of these houses were here last year. You had the walking path around, and that was about it. I was coming out here doing construction videos, and you can see some of the construction is still going on in St. Catherine. They're not done yet, just like they're still working in Chitty Chatty toward the edge of 44 and Morse Boulevard, right on that corner. I'm going to do some updates of Bradford a year later, Hawkins, and Chitty Chatty as well coming up here. But you can see just the growth here in the St. Catherine area. So these are the two, the back and the front 9 of the championship course, the Southern Oaks course. 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s. I was actually expecting this to be done by now. You can see there's not any homes along the edge, and this is actually Citrus Grove here. Still some houses to be built in this area. Housing prices have definitely gone up over the last year, especially in the newer areas that are getting built out. The Hammock at Fenny is underway, and of course those are kind of getting expensive, more than what they've been in the past anyway for the new housing. You see the little Citrus Grove. This is the post office area with the pool. That's the kind of rec center I was talking about, the smaller community rec center, I would say. And then this is the East St. Catherine area here, kind of south of Megason, more so Citrus Grove. I guess this could be considered Newell. I'm not sure where the cutoff for that is, so if you know, drop me a comment down in the comment box. There are some people moving into this area. I saw them. Sorry if you can hear my Roomba in the background, but it's doing a fantastic job vacuuming. Don't hold that against me. And this is the area. We just did a video on this the other day. The new area of Newell, Lake Denham, and Dabney. Now this is the Sawgrass Grove area. Here's a close-up of your pool. And this is that Olympic size community pool at the full recreation center. The Zell Rec Center is right behind it. And then we're going to get a close-up view of the rest of Sawgrass Grove. So you're going to have that open market area. You're going to have the outdoor entertainment area. The Zell Rec Center looks like it's pretty much done, probably coming to a close. They're probably decorating on the inside, and they're definitely nearing the end on that. I'm sure they'll start letting people in pretty soon to check that out. It's going to be all golf related. You can see the weather was rolling in on me, so this is kind of a quick down and dirty of the area. And then over here is where your McGrady's Pub, as well as the outdoor entertainment area. That outdoor entertainment area is right in the middle, kind of like a new square. And then the outdoor market, which isn't really out. Here's a map so you can see what I'm talking about. Pause it if you like. Door per se. It's this building, this long building right here, which is indoor but outdoor, if you will. And then the outdoor entertainment area is in the middle of those two things. This should be a really cool area. I'm excited to see this get up and going. It won't be long now. Probably within the next 6 months. I'm going to say within the next 6 months you're going to see this be open and ready to go. This is where the live entertainment will be, actually right here in the middle, facing the stage. And the stage is toward the south side, toward Megason Road. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Nice little storm was rolling in, so I had to end her short. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.